In this video, we're going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp messages on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. If you need to recover your chats, you can do it very easily using your most recent backup, and here's how you can do so. Begin by opening up WhatsApp and then tapping these settings in the bottom right. From here, scroll down until you find the option for chats and open that up, and then select Chat Backup. Up at the top, you're going to see the date and time of your last backup. As you can see, my last backup was on July 13th, 2023. That's what you're going to be restoring to. Now keep in mind you can back up now by just simply hitting backup now. For some reason mine is already doing that. But anything that happened after that original backup is going to be lost when you restore. So I would recommend backing up your phone. Now to restore these messages, go ahead and actually exit out of WhatsApp and then hold down in the app and delete it. Go ahead and navigate to the App Store, open it up, and then from here, search up WhatsApp and download the WhatsApp Messenger. Once it downloads, go ahead and open it up. It's going to take you to the main page where you're going to sign in, kind of prompt you through the entire setup process, and then WhatsApp is going to recognize that you are restoring from your previous chat history and give you a prompt to do so. Tap restore and then continue with the setup as normal. But that's it. Your messages should now be fully restored. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments.